everyone, it's Christmas time, the most magical time of the year. I hope everyone is done with their Christmas shopping and now you can take a deep breath, relax, and learn how to make a perfect holiday cocktail that you can serve to your family and friends. Today we are making White Russian. White Russian is a great drink to sip on. It's very easy to make. It has only 3 ingredients: vodka, Kahlua, and cream. Rule number 1. Even though the drink called White Russian, make sure it's not quite white. It's gonna be a little bit brownish, dirty color because you want to taste Kahlua in your drink. So I would suggest use equal parts of vodka and Kahlua, and please do not serve it in a large glass. For the same reason, you don't want your drink to taste like a milkshake. We're going to make our drink in a single rocks glass, and we're going to use 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of Kahlua. Kahlua is your coffee liqueur. Let's fill it up with ice. And top it off with half and half. White Russian doesn't have to be shaken. We can just roll it a couple of times just to make sure all the ingredients mix together. And that's how you make a White Russian. I hope you enjoyed my video. For more holiday drinks, subscribe to my channel. And this time I have a favor to ask. Please comment below what drink I should make for my all-time favorite holiday, New Year's Eve. I can't wait for your suggestions. I wish everyone Merry Christmas. Don't forget to keep those gift receipts. Your loved ones might need them. Thank you so much for watching Fancy Cocktails with Olga. Drink responsibly. I'll see you next time.